Rise and shine, barber people. It's grind time. Grind time on prime time. Morning, everybody. 7:10 a.m. Thank you again for watching another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. We are here to help you get by this barber business, guys. You guys have any questions, any concerns, anything you guys want me to talk about, please leave it in the comments below. We are a resource for barbers and barbershop owners. If you have any questions, any concerns, any ideas, any suggestions, please leave it below. So this morning I woke up, checked on my phone, and bam! 300 subscribers, guys. Congratulations to all of us. Hell yeah. When I started this journey on February 27th, I had 12 subscribers. So I've gained about 300 subscribers in less than 6 months. Statistically, I don't know if that's good or not. I mean, I think we're growing pretty good. Tomorrow, I will be giving away that brand new GTX modified machine to you guys, giving it away for free to show my appreciation for you guys, my subscribers that are out there watching and listening and commenting and participating with me, guys. Because, you know, guys, I'm gonna let you guys know right now, this would not be easy to do as far as the YouTube thing goes if I didn't have any participation, or if I didn't have anybody out there listening, you know. And if I could help just a handful of you guys and give you guys some knowledge and some advice, or and help you guys in any way, you know, if I can do that for you, then you know what, then I'm helping out already, guys. You know, when I first started, I didn't have a YouTube like this for us, so, or if I did, if it was there, I wasn't paying attention to it. So, but it's a great resource, guys. I just want to thank you, every single one of you guys that are out there watching and subscribe to my channel. From the bottom of my heart, I truly appreciate it, and I appreciate you taking your time to listen to me and to listen to my advice, you know, and listen to my stories and listen to my troubles and tribulations and everything. And I appreciate you guys, and I appreciate that very much. So congratulations to us, 300 subscribers. I'm super happy about that. I'm right here at the donut shop. I'm gonna celebrate and get myself a donut. And hey guys, I want to thank every single one of you guys again, man. I appreciate every single one of you, and thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing to our channel. Just the beginning, guys. I'm on my way up. I'm gonna keep going and see where we can go with this. You know, it's fun, and I like it, and I like giving out advice. So thank you again, guys. All right, I'm gonna get this donut, head to the shop, get started on this day. Right now it's 7:13. We don't open till 7:30, so I'm gonna grab a donut and head over there and get started with this day, guys. So Saturday, we've been rolling with 3 barbers today. We got a 4th barber, but today's Fido's birthday, so I didn't expect him to come in today. I kind of knew he was gonna miss. He always misses on his birthday, so I mean, nothing's changed, you know. Even though we're a little short-handed, it is what it is. But me, you know, me and Lewis is our new guy, but Lewis used to work here before. So it's me, Lewis, and Tone, and we're holding it down. I mean, Lewis is a fine barber, so we're handling it. Customers are happy. Nobody's walked out of there. But it's been damn busy. Right now it's 11:30, and I checked on the box. I already got 13 haircuts. So I mean, we're moving along pretty well today. I don't think it's gonna slow down at all. But you know what? It hasn't really got super crowded. So we've been just holding it down. Just been holding it down. I'm heading back over there right now. Try to post up some haircuts. I haven't got any hair. I haven't even had a chance to videotape a haircut yet. But I'll get on that, guys. I've been kind of slacking off on that. I know I got to keep up with that too, because you know, it shows my work, and I love showing my work. So I'm gonna get on that today, and I'm gonna try to post up a good video. I got a couple videos too that I filmed last week, and on the camera, and I still haven't got a chance to put them together yet. You know, I just been really busy, but I'm gonna work on that and get that done, and go get some lunch right now and head back to the shop. Alright guys, that's it for this week. This week is almost over. Today's Saturday, tomorrow's Sunday. So tomorrow's, you know, for me it's a half day. Swap meet in the morning, help my moms come down here. I work from 8 to 1:30, so it's only half day. Barbecue probably in the afternoon, and then finish this day off. Hey guys, I'm super stoked that we reached 300 subscribers. I know for you out there YouTubers that got thousands and whatever, this is my first 300, so I'm super stoked about getting there, guys. And just a reminder, this is a GTX. This is not the one I'm giving away. The one I'm giving away is brand new. This is the one I use, but this is a machine that I use every single day. I do my lineups. It's called a GTX Scalatorized, personalized by myself. And you know, this is my best machine. This is what I use every single day, guys, every single day. So, strong, good machine, dude. I've had this machine already for probably like 4 or 5 years, and it's still going strong. So, whoever gets that machine, I hope you guys put it to use, man. So this is the deal. Tomorrow's, or which when you guys watch this, it's today's vlog. What you guys got to do tomorrow is you're gonna have to comment below, and you better be subscribed, because if whoever wins this machine, and I check see if you're my subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, then you're not gonna win it. So if you're just here to troll me and just watch my videos and not be subscribed, this is not for you. But if you are one of my subscribers, you're one of the guys that ask me questions all the time. I know who you guys are out there. You guys are always on me, asking me questions. I appreciate you guys, and I hope one of you guys wins it. You know, I know you guys. I know that. I appreciate you guys. All right. So I hope you guys, whoever gets it. So tomorrow's title, or when you guys watch it, it'll be today's title is gonna say 300 subs giveaway. Okay, 300 subs giveaway. So when you watch this video tonight or tomorrow, when you watch this video, you better comment, say something down below, say something about this machine, say you want it, say you hate it, say you only want it so you can give it away or whatever. You have to comment. Plus, you have to be a subscriber. You have to be a subscriber, guys. And hey guys, follow me on IG. I'm always posting up haircuts. I'm always posting up videos on my IG. My IG is big_Ls_barbershop. Check us out, guys. I'm gonna be coming out with more videos. Hey guys, what I'm here for is to help you guys out. So what I do is I share my, you know, whatever I do, I'm sharing it with you, and what's going on in my life and what's going on here in my shop, and you know, and I try to share and just give you guys good advice, and you know, hopefully we all help each other out, and we can all succeed. All right. That being said, guys, good luck on whoever's gonna get this machine, and I'll see you guys. I'm not gonna so tomorrow's video, this is the last thing. Then tomorrow's video, you gotta comment, you gotta be a subscriber, and I'm gonna run that video. I'm not gonna pull the winner. We're not gonna pull the winner for that video until Tuesday. Okay? So Tuesday, I'm gonna pull it from tomorrow's video. That's my rules. So good luck, guys. And thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you as much as you guys like watching my videos. Thank you, guys.